So as national security clearly takes center stage in the race for the White House right now, the new focus not hurting the Republican frontrunner. Brand new Fox News polls released showed Donald Trump emerging once again very strong in the wake of the tragedy that we watched unfold in Paris and the lockdown that is underway in Belgium, and lots of fears about what could happen here. He's at 28. Ben Carson dropped quite a bit, falling back about 5 points in this poll, down to 18%. And then you've got the rise of Marco Rubio and Ted Cruz continuing. They're both at 14%, and you've got Jeb Bush at 5% in this poll as national security becomes the lead conversation and dynamic in all of this. So Trump is now facing a new controversy, saying that he personally witnessed American Muslims cheering on 9/11. Watch this.
I watched when the World Trade Center came tumbling down. And I watched in Jersey City, New Jersey, where thousands and thousands of people were cheering as that building was coming down. Thousands of people were cheering. So something's going on. We got to find out what it is. I do want surveillance. I will absolutely take database on the people coming in from Syria if we can't stop it, but we're going to. And if I win, I've made it known, if I win, they're going back.
More coming up on that statement in just a little while, but also stunning new polls. This is really marked. Look at the difference here in the matchups between Hillary Clinton and these top candidates on the Republican side. Marco Rubio scores strongest, 8 points higher than Hillary Clinton. But look at Ben Carson, look at Donald Trump, and look at Chris Christie, all beating Hillary Clinton. And that's a thing that we have not seen. It used to be, several months ago, Rand Paul was the only one who either tied or could beat her by 1 or 2 points. This picture has changed dramatically.
I would say the other thing that's changing right now are the issues. The economy's been number one for a long time, and now you see national security fit right in there. New